Hi guys, my name is Roger, and in this video I'm going to explain you how to program changes with the MC-50. Because when you are recording a song, you want to make sure that the MC-50 is using the correct sounds. I will explain to you how it works. Here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it because there are two ways to do it. One way is step time and one way is real time. Let me first start with real time, and I'm going to use measure number 1 for the MIDI information. So I'm going to start recording, and in the first measure I will record the MIDI information of the program into the MC-50. So I choose the bank and the program and the sound, and this information will be recorded. So I will start with a count in. So on my MIDI keyboard I pushed bank 0 and sound number 1. And this is the sound of my GV1010, a piano sound. And I will show you that it has been recorded by the MC-50. So I show it here with microscope. I do microscope. You see track number 1. This is the first measure. And if I dial, you see here that MIDI channel number 2 received information, a program changed of program number 1, which is a piano sound. So now I'm going to record on measure number 2 and also on track number 2 the piano sound. Okay, I'm going to quantize it. Quantize track number 2. You're asking yourself, why is he doing it on track number 2? Well, I want to have a clean MIDI information track, in this case MIDI track number 1, because later on I can merge all the tracks into one track, but now I want to have it divided. So that's the reason why I recorded track number 2 with a piano riff. So it should be recorded now. Let's give it a try. Okay. Now I will show you that it has that the MIDI information also was recorded. I showed it in the microscope, but I show you the effect. So here's my GV1010 with program number 1. If I change on my MIDI keyboard the program, let's say 56, okay, and now I'm going to start the MC-50, and then you will notice that it will change to pitch number 1. Now it's changed. And again, proof, I will change it now to 45. I'm not touching anything. I do shift play and look. Program number 1. Okay. Back to the MC-50, because now I'm going to show you how to record this in step time mode. So I'm going to copy the riff. Track number 2, 2, 4, 5, because 5 measures. M is 6, and I want to copy it one time. Yes. So those 4 measures are copied, and when I push play here, then we hear the same. So now I'm going to record this in step time. I'm going to do a program change, and I want to use sound number 7. So now I do microscope, normally you would say, well, I will show you, because on 6, on the first measure of 6, a new sound has to be played. I will do it on track number 3. Now I do edit. You see here micro edit. 1 is change, 2 is erase, and 3 is create. Let's create an event. The status is node, and here it says track number 1. Oh, I said let's do it on track number 3, but we will use track number 1. Okay, so status is node, and we change this to PG, which is program. So program change. MIDI channel. My GV1010 is on MIDI channel number 2. And I said I want to have program number 7. So okay. So on the first note of 6, you should hear this sound instead of the piano sound. Let's start. This is the piano. Okay, so without touching my MIDI keyboard, without touching the GV1010, the MC-50 changed it to another sound. Here the proof. Let's start again. Sound number 1. Sound number 7. So, just an easy explanation of how to use program change with the MC-50 in real time or in step time. Real time is during recording, changing it on your MIDI keyboard, and in step time it is microscope, edit, and then create the event. What kind of event? Not a note, but a PG, which is a program change. Guys, thank you for watching. I hope it was clear enough for you, and the possibilities of this unit are huge. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Okay guys, bye bye.